This is exactly where you're going to make money in Dubai real estate, bringing to you a project Dubai has never seen before. You're right next to the sea and the forest at the same time. There are very limited waterfront plots in Dubai, and this is a master community on that waterfront land where all of the buildings are standalone. You get a luxury resort style community where you have so many amenities from multiple swimmable lagoons, beach clubs, artificial beach, yacht parking, numerous gyms, and a lot more for you in your day-to-day life. The community is by an excellent builder and comes with a very flexible payment plan. Remember, we are not talking multi-million dollars here. You need to pay only 1.1 million dirhams, that over a course of 4 years, to own an apartment in this extravagant community. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert, and in this video I'm bringing to you a very exclusive project which is right next to the forest and the sea with unobstructed sea views and Burj Khalifa downtown skyline views. It's only 20 minutes from the downtown Dubai and you get a resort style living with so many amenities. It's more kind of a JBR vibe, Jumeirah Beach Residence. If you've been there, you'd see you're right next to the sea, there's a beach, and you have numerous beach clubs, restaurants right there. There's a lot I'll be covering in this video, from location of the project, the site video, how many floors are coming up, what's the details of the community, what to expect in the master community, where is the forest, where is the lagoon, where are the beach clubs, everything that you need to know from an end user perspective and from an investment perspective. So stay tuned in the entire video, keep sharing, liking and subscribing. So this project is located in Maritime City. Now let's discuss the location and see its proximity from the centers. So this is your Palm Jumeirah. Moving upwards, here you have your Business Bay and Dubai Downtown. Now when we go further up, you have your DXB airport, which is currently operating, and this is where all your flights land. Right across this you have your Bar Dubai, Karama, Mankhul, Dera, all of these areas. So you would definitely know Dera. This is entire Dera. And right on this neighborhood you have Dubai Gold Souk, which is the oldest gold market in Dubai. So right next to it is Emaar's upcoming community called Port Mena Rashid. So this is where it is coming, and right next to it is your Dubai Maritime City. So this is your location. I was standing right here on this plot overlooking the endless sea. So you can have a look at the kind of view you'll get because there's no obstruction. This is where most of the new projects are coming up, and this is where Emaar's community is. So currently the nearest metro station to you is Al Ghubaiba metro station, but you'll have more upcoming because this area is a major focus in the Dubai's 2040 vision. So this project developer is Omniath's sister brand called Beyond. Beyond is the one that is building this entire master community. Now if we talk about Omniath, Omniath currently is the most luxurious developer in all of Dubai. Their starting prices for any apartment is going beyond 20-30 million for a single unit. In this community you have most of the towers being done by Beyond, but you have some residential projects even by Omniath, the brand itself. And Omniath is bringing its Dorchester collection, the same which is in Business Bay, where you can see you have an ultra luxury hotel called the Lana Dorchester. That is by Omniath itself, where again the starting prices are over 30 million and you have penthouses going even at 170-180 million. It's a very iconic building right in the middle of Business Bay. So imagine the kind of gentry that will be there in your vicinity. So Maritime as a location is waterfront with an unobstructed sea views, but it is not a location where you have a beach. So when you invest in this community, this builder is making an artificial beach in that particular area. So this is the entire model of the project. You have 3 podium levels of parking, amenities level. This is right next to the forest. And you have 39 floors up. On the top are going to be penthouses, and you have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom units below. You get a pool, gym, kids play area, numerous amenities right in this tower, and this is going to be the pathway that will connect you to the Bay Area. So this is the new launch. This is how the building is going to look like. You have forest here, you have water on this side and a Burj Khalifa skyline on the other side. It is surrounded by lush green trees that give you a climate controlled environment and the beautiful facade. That's going to be your grand lobby. Everything is very detailed. You have a good floor to ceiling height, numerous amenities in the building. That's a swimming pool area and an outdoor sitting area. This is an aerial view. Get to experience beautiful sunset views. Now let's get an overview of the entire community. So you have 15 plus towers, you can only see 9 here. So some of them are already launched, like this one. This is Orise, that's your Sensia. You have Mural on this side. And this is all your day area. So these towers are called the Bay Residences. Right here, this is your artificial beach where you have sand plus salty water. You have your parking deck. Right here, you have multiple swimmable lagoons. This is the sea, which is right next to you. You'll have numerous beach clubs on this side, which is accessible both to the residents and to the outsiders. Outsiders have to pay and then they can use the lagoon access. So this is how the community looks like. And just on this side, you have this entire forest. The benefit of this is that it's going to be temperature controlled because you have so many trees on both the sides of the community. So the new tower which is launched called Talya is going to be here, and it's the first launch in the forest. There will be a lot more towers here as well. So the payment plan in all of the towers in this community is fixed 50-50, which is 50% under construction and 50% on handover. The handover of this particular project is in Q1 2029, and 20% is your down payment along with a 4% DLD fees. So that's what you pay initially, and then you have a payment breakdown which is falling in the next few months, and final 50% in year 2029, which is 4 years from now. Now that 50% you can also take a loan from the bank at an interest rate and for about a 25 years period. The best part about this project is that you are paying very little amount under construction and you're buying an asset which is very rare in Dubai. Buying a waterfront project, that too in a forest living where a climate control environment is there, plus by a developer which has a history. So let's talk about the starting prices. The price for one bed is starting at 2.2 million dirhams. If you're looking for a high floor and better views, it can even go around 2.4 million dirhams. The starting price of a 2-bedroom is roughly about 3.8 million dirhams. Again, on high floors can be about 4.2-4.3 million dirhams. The 3-bedroom starting price is about 5.5 million dirhams, and the penthouses are over 10-15 million dirhams. Size of 1 bedroom is 750 square feet, 2 bedroom around 1450 square feet, 3 bedroom around 1800 square feet, and 4 bedroom penthouses are around 4462 square feet. A couple of reasons why this should be your investment or an end use home. First, of course, the brand itself. You're getting a brand which has a huge history in Dubai and is known to make luxury housing. Second, the good layouts that are being given in the project. Third, the location itself. It is a waterfront plot. There is very limited waterfront land available in Dubai, and if you see the coastline starting from here and going until Jabal Ali, those are super expensive residential projects. So this is where you can enter at a less price, plus you have a very flexible payment plan. You pay only 50% under construction. So if you see technically, if a 1-bedroom is costing at 2.2 million dirhams, on a 50% payment, you're paying only 1.1 million dirham, that too over a course of 4 years. So that's coming at less than 300,000 per year. And we're talking in dirhams, not even in dollars. So this is what you're investing to get a waterfront property in Dubai. Now I'll give you an insight of the capital appreciation you can have. So this is the entire coastline of Dubai. If you see, this is your existing Dubai International Airport. From here we have upcoming Palm Jabal Ali, twice the size of Palm Jumeirah. This is Palm Jumeirah. Here you have your Blue Waters Island, and this is further going up until here. After this it's all Sharjah. This is your World Island. Now if you see on this coastline, the prices of Blue Waters are trading above 5,000 dirham per square foot. Moving further ahead, again in Palm Jumeirah, prices are over 5,000 dirhams. If you look here at Bulgari Island, which is the most expensive right now in all of Dubai, here prices are trading over 14,000 dirham per square foot. Now moving further ahead, this is the location that we are talking about, which is Maritime City. Right here is your project by Beyond, and here the price per square foot that you're getting is almost 3,000 dirham per square foot. Now if you see, there is still a lot more capital that you can make here, especially if you're entering on a 50-50 payment plan, which means you pay only 50% under construction and 50% on handover. Let's say we take a case wherein we flip it at the time of handover, which means we sell it at the time of handover. So in that case, we would have paid only 50% of the entire amount. So if I say it's 2,900 dirham per square foot, you are paying about 1,300 dirham. Let's say you're entering at 3,000 dirham per square foot for an apartment which is the size of 1,000. So total value is 3 million. You pay only only 1.5 million till the time of handover. Now let's say the capital appreciation goes to 5500 dirham per square foot. In that case, the total value of your investment, 1000 size multiplied by 5500, that's going to be 5.5 million for that same property. Now you have paid only 1.5 million from your pocket because you purchased it when the project was 3000 dirham per square foot. So in that case, your capital growth is more than 70%, and that's where you make most of your profit. So this is something you can experience if you buy a project with this developer, especially because it's in a master community, it's by a very good name, plus you have so many amenities, and it is something Dubai has not seen before, where forest is there and sea is right there. I hope you were able to get enough insights of this project and of the entire community as well. So by the time we are getting in contact, maybe there are no units available in this particular tower, which is Talia. So we can look up to other towers which are being launched at that point of time. So get in touch with me fast, because on any new launch, the prices are increased. So if the previous launch started at 2 million dirhams, today we are sitting at on an average of 2.2 million dirhams, and next launch would be 2.4. So you can make a very good capital growth as soon as more and more towers are into place and the builder is increasing the price. So even when you sell it, the builder would be selling it at a higher price and you will still make a profitable exit. So get in touch with me fast. And second, to get a cheaper unit, you have to have a first mover advantage, because those are the units that go first. So contact me now. My handles are given below: my WhatsApp, LinkedIn and Instagram handle. Me or my team will get in touch with you and make sure that you multiply your money wherever you invest in Dubai, and you're able to buy a perfect home for yourself. This is not the only project I have. There are a lot more projects in multiple price range, starting at about 750,000 dirhams and going up to millions. I'll be coming up with a lot more content related to Dubai and Dubai real estate in general. So stay tuned, keep sharing, liking and subscribing, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video or what you want me to cover next.